Understanding group cohesion. Key to team success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, group cohesion. Understanding this concept is not only important for language learners but also for anyone who works in a team or group setting. So, let's dive in and discover what makes groups stick together effectively. In this section, we'll look at what group cohesion actually means. It refers to the bonding process within a group that drives the members to remain part of it. Think of it as the glue that keeps a team together. This cohesion can be influenced by various factors, such as shared goals, mutual respect, and effective communication. Here, we'll explore why group cohesion is so crucial. A cohesive group typically performs better, as members are more committed and supportive of each other. This unity leads to increased productivity, improved morale, and often, better results. We'll look at examples of how cohesive groups outperform those lacking in this vital element. This section delves into what contributes to group cohesion. We'll discuss aspects like common objectives, trust among members, effective communication, and the role of leadership in fostering a cohesive environment. Understanding these factors can help individuals contribute positively to any group they are part of. No group is immune to challenges, and in this part, we will address common obstacles to group cohesion. Issues like conflict, lack of clear goals, or poor communication can significantly hinder group unity. We'll provide tips on how to identify and overcome these challenges to maintain a healthy group dynamic. Here, we'll offer practical advice on how to enhance group cohesion. We'll cover strategies such as team-building activities, clear communication channels, and recognizing individual contributions. These methods are proven to strengthen the bond among group members. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept of group cohesion and its importance in any team setting. Remember, a cohesive group is like a well-oiled machine, efficient, productive, and successful. Keep practicing your English, and see you in the next video.